Let's make some fry and cook down chicken, as we call it in Jamaica. So here I have some chicken that was already cleaned and washed, and I added some onions, scallion and thyme, scotch bonnet, pepper and garlic. Now I'm adding in some powdered seasoning. I have smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning and chicken seasoning. I allowed the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes before frying. Then to my pan that was heated, I added some oil, and now we're frying them for 4 minutes on each side. Once the chicken is fried for at least 8 minutes, I remove most of the oil, and then I added some water and allow it to cook down for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then to my pan with the ground seasoning, I'm adding in some ketchup, barbecue sauce, sugar, and more water. Once I added the water, then I added it to the pan with the chicken and allowed the chicken to cook down for another 20 minutes. I also added a little bit more ketchup. This is optional, or you can add some more barbecue sauce, and cover the pot. Once it was cooked down for at least 20 minutes, this is how it was looking, guys. It's delicious. You can give this recipe a try. Full recipe down below. Bye.